Hi, thanks for watching another one of my videos on how to do the coin laundry business right and occasionally do the coin laundry business wrong. Do a YouTube search under Coin Laundry USA for the other videos. Today is Monday, June 4th. This is the beginning of week 8 at Easy Wash and Dry in Arlington. Now, I promised to come out here every Monday, but I missed last Monday because of Memorial Day, and then I was out of town Tuesday and Wednesday. So you're going to see the 2-week improvement from the beginning of week 6 till now the beginning of week 8. City threw us a curve here. They had to resaw cut and make a different connection to the drain, and I'll show you that. So let's walk around and take a look at the update. All right, you're going to see a lot of the facade has been done. The scaffolding now is all the way across because they're finishing off over here. We'll turn, you'll see the top has been put in. And let's walk over here real quick and I'll show you the new cut for the drain. And you can see the tap right there to the city sewer. It's cut all the way back up there and around. That other one is going to go to irrigation for the right-of-way out here from the city. So let's walk inside. And you can see they started all the plumbing. Roughing is done pretty much. They got the 2 water closets set up, ready to go. They've got the walls up, got the plumbing in. You can see the plumbing going out, as I was talking about before, the drain. It's pretty elaborate out here, but you can see it going around out to the irrigation down there, and that's the other one I just showed you. And here's a look at the inside. All the plumbing in the ground. This is what you got to do to set up a vended laundry. So you've seen all the saw cuts over the weeks. Got a slop sink in here, water cut, plumbing, safe room, the 2 VTMs for the card system, a build-to-build changer. We've got the fur down in for the wall over the dryers on both sides, and the room back there, so you see everything cut out. As always, if you have any questions or comments, give me a call. I'd love to hear from you. I'll do another update next Monday. That'll be the beginning of week 9. As always, my info is on the video. You can call me, text me, email me. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.